The £250,000 Bugatti pool table. When billionaires get bored. Imagine being so rich that owning a Bugatti isn't enough. You've got the hypercar in the garage, you've got the yacht in Monaco, you've probably got a watch that costs more than most people's houses. But then Bugatti comes along and says, no sir, what your life is really missing is a €250,000 pool table. Yes, this is real. Bugatti, the company famous for building some of the most extreme, expensive and over-engineered cars on earth, revealed a carbon fibre pool table engineered to what it calls Molsheim standards. Molsheim, of course, being the home of Bugatti, and this isn't just some normal pool table with a badge slapped on the side. Oh no, this thing has carbon fibre, aluminium, titanium, leather-lined pockets, a touchscreen scoreboard, matching carbon fibre cues, and because apparently normal floors are too boring, optional gyroscopic self-leveling technology so you can play pool on a yacht while the sea's moving underneath you. Welcome to the world where billionaires don't buy furniture, they buy engineering. Bugatti described this as part of its Bugatti lifestyle collection, created for owners and collectors who want the Bugatti experience to go beyond the car itself. The table was officially licensed and made in partnership with IXO, a company specialising in carbon fibre construction. And that's important because this isn't really just about pool. This is about identity. When a billionaire buys a Bugatti, they're not just buying transport, they're buying rarity, they're buying craftsmanship, they're buying membership of a very small club. So Bugatti's logic, simple. Once someone has spent millions on a hypercar, why stop at the garage? Why not extend the brand into your home, the yacht, the games room, the private members lounge? The pool table's not aimed at Dave from down the pub, who plays on a Friday night after 3 pints. This is aimed at someone who says, I need a pool table that matches my Chiron. And Bugatti said, certainly sir. Would you like it yacht stabilised? Now the headline feature is the optional servo-driven gyroscopic self-leveling system. Bugatti says this system uses a gyroscopic sensor, allowing each leg of the table to move and compensate for the motion of a ship. This system can apparently adjust in just 5 milliseconds, with the movement completed silently and without vibration. Let that sink in. This is a pool table designed for people who might be upset because the super yacht is gently moving while they're lining up a shot. Most of us have played pool on a wonky pub table with one short leg and a beer mat shoved underneath it. Bugatti owners get gyroscopes. That's the difference between normal life and billionaire life. And the funniest part of this is the self-leveling system actually makes sense in the completely insane context of where this thing is likely to live. Because Bugatti specifically mentioned using it at home or at sea, meaning this table was designed with yacht owners in mind. So this isn't just luxury for luxury's sake, it's luxury solving a problem that almost nobody on earth has. The materials list reads less like furniture and more like a hypercar brochure. Bugatti says the table uses a carbon fibre finish with a strong frame supported by machined aluminium and titanium. It also says the table meets the standards of a professional tournament pool table. Well, for 250 grand, I should hope so. The ball pockets are stainless steel lined with leather. The fittings use titanium screws and nuts to help prevent corrosion from aluminium parts. Now that sounds completely excessive, but that's the Bugatti trick. They take ordinary objects and treat them like they're aerospace components, a bit like Porsche design. I like Porsche design stuff. A pool table doesn't need titanium hardware, but a Bugatti pool table does, because the buyer doesn't want need, the buyer wants because we can. This is the same mentality as a 1,500 horsepower hypercar that can do speeds no public road will ever legally allow. Bugatti isn't selling practicality, it's selling impossibility. And it doesn't stop with a table. Bugatti included an entire matching accessory set. There's a wall-mounted Q support finished in carbon fibre with a 13-inch high-resolution touchscreen to keep score. The carbon fibre pool cues have anodised and CNC machined aluminium ends, designed to echo the buttons in Bugatti hypercars. So Baz, how stupid are you? Do you like pool? Yes, I really like pool. Are you competitive? Yes, I'm really competitive. How much do you like pool, Baz? I mean, would you be daft enough to buy, say, a carbon fibre pool cue? Oops. All I can say is this cue is an absolute work of art. I wouldn't exactly say it's the best 1,300 quid I've ever spent, but it is good. Get me one of those Bugatti pool tables. There's also a dimmable carbon fibre LED ceiling light, a chalk box, a cleaning brush, a leather suitcase for the Aramith Tournament Pro Bowls. When me and my mate go playing pool, I've also got my own pool balls. I'm a bad loser, what can I say? And even a USB key in a CNC machined aluminium case containing photos and videos documenting the manufacturing history of that specific table. That last bit is pure Bugatti, because the customer isn't just buying the table, they're buying the story of the table, they're buying proof that their object was made with care and exclusivity. It's the same reason limited edition cars come with numbered plaques, build books, certificates and presentation cases. Bugatti has basically turned a pool table into a collector car. And of course, it's limited edition. Bugatti said only 30 tables would be made, with 5 produced by IXO in 2021. Each table gets a unique plate showing the Bugatti logo and its limited edition number, similar to the treatment given to Bugatti hypercars. That matters because scarcity is the engine of luxury. If everyone can have one, billionaires don't want it. But if only 30 people on earth can own it, it becomes interesting. This is where the product stops being a pool table and becomes a collectible. It becomes a conversation piece. It becomes the thing you show people after dinner on the yacht. Would you like to see the engine room? Nah. Fine, let me show you the gyroscopic Bugatti pool table then. Now for the part that makes normal people cough. Bugatti said the first official table would be delivered in June 2021. The price was €250,000, including the accessories. €250,000 for a pool table. That's more than many Ferraris, more than a very nice house deposit, more than most people will ever spend on every piece of furniture they own in their lifetime. But for a Bugatti customer, that price is almost part of the appeal. It filters out the ordinary. It says this isn't for everyone. And in luxury marketing, that's often the whole point. So is the Bugatti pool table brilliant, or is it completely ridiculous? The honest answer is both. From a normal person's point of view, it's absurd. No one needs a carbon fibre pool table with gyroscopic legs and titanium fittings, unless you're playing on a yacht, and then it's a necessity. But from a brand perspective, it's clever. Bugatti's not trying to sell thousands of these. It's not trying to enter the furniture market. It's not competing with normal pool tables. It's selling the Bugatti fantasy in another form. And that fantasy is simple. Everything in your world can be rare, engineered, expensive and branded. Your car, your watch, your yacht, your furniture, even your pool table. That's what modern ultra luxury has become. It's no longer enough to own the car. The brand wants to follow you into the house, onto the yacht, into the games room, onto your wrist, into your lounge, and probably into your swimming pool next. This is where the Bugatti pool table becomes part of a much bigger trend. Luxury car companies are no longer satisfied with just selling cars. Aston Martin has put its name on residences. Lamborghini has had yachts. Bentley has home collections. Bugatti has furniture, watches, and now a pool table that looks like it should come with a launch control. These brands are becoming lifestyle empires. They're selling taste, they're selling status, they're selling identity. And for the richest customers in the world, the car is only the entry ticket. Once you're inside the club, the brand keeps offering you more ways to prove you belong. So the Bugatti carbon fibre pool table is ridiculous, but it's also fascinating because it tells us something about the billionaire world. At that level, luxury is no longer about what something does. A normal pool table lets you play pool. A Bugatti pool table tells everyone in the room, I don't just own a game table, I own a piece of Molsheim engineering. And that's why this thing exists. Not because the world needed it, but because somewhere on a yacht there's a billionaire who absolutely wanted it and probably ordered two. So what do you think? Is the Bugatti pool table a masterpiece of luxury engineering or the most ridiculous rich person toy ever made? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy looking at the wild, wonderful and sometimes completely insane things billionaires buy, make sure you subscribe, because on this channel we don't just look at cars, we look at the dreams money can buy. And sometimes those dreams have titanium screws and a touchscreen scoreboard. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.